if property passes through a will or through intestacy, even in the states with the most efficient processes possible, it still takes months. Right. And property, not just businesses, but just other assets need management. I mean, if you have a farm, you need the crops to be harvested or fertilized. If you have a ranch, you need to have the farm animals fed. If you have a stock portfolio, you need to manage it. Look at the way things change in the world so quickly. You would need investments managed, stocks managed, and the gap that occurs can cause tremendous problems. Whereas when property is in trust, even if the settlor or the person creating the trust was the trustee while alive, immediately upon death, the successor trustee takes over, no court involvement, no gap in management. So that's really, really important point.